Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing my variable expense binder and my sinking funds, and I'm also going to be choosing two numbers for the 10K challenge. So let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing we do is put the money in the tray as always. So we're not cash stuffing too much this week, only because I didn't take too many orders, like Etsy orders, because I am still working on last week's orders. So yeah, but we are still cash stuffing something, which is better than nothing. You guys, so it is finally getting cooler here in New York. The temperatures are dropping, and that's amazing because I am tired of summer. I don't like heat. So I am so looking forward to fall weather, wearing a sweater and going outside with a coffee and, just like cozy vibes, because I am done with the heat, the summer, and always being hot. But anyways, let's go ahead and pull out my paycheck breakdown. So you guys, good news. I had said on my Instagram that I lost over $3,000 on these, only because the factory said they were going to shut down because of COVID. But I got the news that my order was like these. I sent them to be made into like notepads, so they're sending them to me, and they are gonna arrive to me, I think, by next week. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, so here we're gonna start with our variable expense, and I don't have anything. I spent everything. But before we get started, I want to show you guys this. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I did post these on Instagram. So these are gonna be like, I might use these for fall, only because it gives me like the fall vibe. So these are the envelopes, and I put them in the same binder for now. So this is what they look like. Oh wait, I missed one. I think they're so cute. And then that's it. Oh wait, before we get started, I do have some coins in here, and I don't have like a special coin jar. I have this, and I've been using this for a hot minute. I don't collect that many coins like throughout the week, so that's why I have this little container here. What is this? It looks like $1 in, wait, what country is this? Mexico. We'll leave that in there. All right, so Home Essentials is not getting anything this time around. Thai is getting a 10. Self-care is getting 35. I'm gonna do a 20, a 10, and a 5. Oops. MTA is not getting anything. Spending is getting a 20. Miscellaneous is not, and business is getting 49. 20, 40. Let me actually flip this. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And why is this like that? Let's go ahead and flip this. All right, so business has 49. 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 49. And that is that. Now let's go ahead and jump into our sinking funds. So I don't do I'm not doing my bills this week. I mean, I'm not doing my bills today, but I do have to stuff my bills envelopes on Friday, so stay tuned for that video. So we're just gonna skip to our sinking funds, and kiddos is getting $10. Grab a 10. So kiddos now has 50, 100, 20, 30, 32, 34, 36. That is 136. Back to school. Actually, I need to grab my color pencils. 1 second. I'm back. So I have my color pencils here. And back to school is getting $15. So we're gonna do one of these. We're gonna do the socks, check that off, and we're gonna color it in. It's too green. No. Alrighty. So let's grab 15. So we're gonna do a 10 and a 5. So back to school now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 115, and 120. And our goal is $300. I have to complete this by the end of August so I can go school shopping for my kids. So next we have Fur Baby, and Fur Baby is getting 20. We need to color one of these in. 20. Let's do this. What is this? Is this like a shopping bag? That's what it looks like. But anyways, let's do that one. Let's do brown. Alrighty. That's that. Let's add a 20. So Fur Baby now has 20, 40, 60, 65. Next week, you guys, all this time I'm here coloring this leaf, right? And I noticed that my phone wasn't recording. Bummer. So yeah, so I went ahead and colored one of these in. Each leaf is $20. So we're gonna add a $20 bill. So emergency fund now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120. 120. All right. Next we have savings, and saving gets $5. So we're gonna do a 5. So savings now has 100, 5, 10, 15, 20. That is 120. All right, next is student loans, and student loan is getting $18. So we're gonna color in one of these. So we're doing a 10, 5, and 3 singles. So that is 10, 15, 16. Oh, no, wait. Oh, my God. I dropped everything. Let's fix this. So we added the 18. So student loan now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 125, 130, 135, 136, 137, and 138. Let's just double count that. 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 125, 130, 135, 136, 137, 138. Oh. Alrighty, gifts. Gifts is getting $15. And I just added this birthday challenge in my shop last night. It is a digital copy, so you would just have to download it and print it at home. So gifts is getting 15, so we're gonna do, let's see, oh, I don't have a 15 here. So we're just gonna add the 15, and once we add another 10, then we'll add it here. 15 plus 10, 25, then we'll check this one off. But right now we're only adding 15. So birthday or gifts has 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. All right, so next we have Christmas. And Christmas is getting $15. So we're gonna do another gingerbread man. Let's color one of these in. So that is 15. So we're gonna do a 10 and 5. So Christmas now has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, and 70. All right. Next, I just added this one too to my shop. This template, and I want to do this so I can save money to buy like decorations for fall to decorate, or like I might do another one after I do the fall decoration. But I do, like, my family and I, we like to go on, you know, we like to go apple picking and like go on hay rides and, you know, festivals and stuff like that. So I figure, why not make a challenge to save for that? So this is my new autumn challenge, and my autumn challenge is getting a 10. So we're gonna check this off, and we're gonna do a $10 bill. Next we have taxes, and I don't count taxes, so taxes is getting only 25. So we're gonna go ahead and add this here. And then miscellaneous, that's just like, just in case, any rollover money from my variable expense binder, it goes in there. Adventure is getting $15. So we're gonna do one of these trucks that is worth 15. So we're gonna do a 10 and a 5. So Adventure now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. Guys, I want to show you my new envelopes that I made, and I'm planning on having them maybe this Saturday. I'm not sure, we'll see, but I'll show you like towards the end of the video the new envelopes. But Capital One is getting 25, so we're gonna do a 20 and a 5. So Capital One now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. Oh, finally, we can cross one of these out. And I do have to make a payment towards Capital. Voila, finally, 100. So we went from owing $3,500 to now owing $3,400. So that is awesome. Best Buy gets $50. So we're gonna do this 50, and now has 150. Check this off, and we are down to $350 now. So we went from owing $500 to now owing $350. That is amazing. When you see it like that, it's amazing. Okay, and now last but not least is our 10K challenge, and we are choosing 2 numbers. So we're gonna do numbers 40 and 42. So 40 and 42, and that is a total of $82. All right. So that's what we should have here. So that is 20, 40, 60, 81, and 82. Now let's count to see how much we have so far in here. All right, so for the 10K challenge, so far we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 215, 220, 225, 226, 227, 28, 29, 30, 230. Now let's double count that. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 215, 220, 225, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 130, right? That's what I said? Yeah. So that's what we have in here. That is awesome. 230, right? Yeah, I think so. Alrighty. And then my husband still didn't start his $1,000 savings challenge. I don't know when he's going to start, but I don't know. But anyways, I want to show you guys the new envelopes that I made, and these are made out of vellum and pink vinyl. So I'll be right back. I am back, and these are the envelopes. You guys, this is so pretty, and I want to change my envelopes now. I love the font. So this is the student loan and emergency that I just made as like samples just to show you guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see I posted some pictures and a video there. But look how beautiful. I love how this like this set, the pink ring binder with the vellum envelopes and the pink vinyl, it goes perfect. I love it. Look at this, and it's even prettier in person. But anyways, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you on Friday when I cashed off my bills. Bye.